Hey everybody, Standell, President Florida SunCoast chapter. Hope you're doing well. What a great week. Been busy. Boy, the temperatures are up. You can tell we're moving into the summertime. And a lot of things going on. Hey, I was just real happy I got to Bradenton yesterday for the FSC ZSCCA breakfast there at Skillets, and got to see a lot of folks and hang out for a little while, so that was a lot of fun. Looking forward to what's coming up in the next couple of weeks. That's coming up on Tuesday, actually. The day when you get to see this is our St. Pete Clearwater dinner at Fresca Italian. Thanks to Gene and Al putting all that together. On the 6th, we're coming up to the Sarasota Cars and Coffee. And from that, at 10:30 on that morning, we're launching the X Drive lunch, heading out to the historic Seahorse Restaurant there in St. Pete Beach. So that's going to be a lot of fun, sort of a 2-for-1 kind of event, if you will. You don't have to have an X vehicle to join us, but if you got it, bring it, and we'll enjoy that. We've got as been saying for the last couple of weeks, a big announcement is going to happen at that luncheon. So I can't wait to see folks coming out for that. I'll be there. On the same day, the 6th, we have the Southwood Cars and Coffee up in Tallahassee. That's in downtown Southwood area. The Gainesville Cars and Coffee at the Tioga Town Center. I know that Meribeth anchors that one. And then coming up on the 7th, we have the Florida SunCoast and the ZSCCA breakfast in Port Charlotte, Punta Gordoa area. And I forgot the restaurant where we go for that one, but it's in the calendar, so just go look it up. Don't let my foggy memory stop you from doing that one. Then coming up on the weekend of June 13th and 14th, we've got a busy weekend that weekend. We have the Autocross that's going on down in Fort Myers. That's a 2-day event, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, you can 5, 6, 7 runs on the Autocross track. And then the competition starts up on Sunday, the 14th. So check that out. If you haven't been, just go check it out. It's a lot of fun. I'd go out there a lot of times just to observe. And every once in a while, I get to be ballasted in somebody's car and get to ride along. So it's a lot of fun. Equally on the 13th, we have the Jacksonville Caffeine and Octane at the Avenues Mall. That's Gary. That's all the guys up there that hang out and take care of that one. We have also the Lakeland Cars and Coffee at Fields BMW. I'm going to be at that one on June 13th. I'm going to check into the Lakeland Cars and Coffee as well. I get up there periodically, but this is going to be what I'm going to be at. And come on out. That's really, really good. Damian's anchoring that one. On June 14th, the Sunday, we have the Gainesville Cars and Coffee at the Ford's Garage. I think that's just absolutely great that we've picked Ford's Garage, and they've invited us in for Cars and Coffee. Cars and Coffee, Ford's Garage, sort of goes together. I'm sort of liking that. And then on the 20th, we have the Fort Myers Cars and Coffee. And if you've ever done a poker run, there's a planned poker run following Cars and Coffee in Fort Myers on the 20th. So if you've never done that, it's a lot of fun. Come on out, come early, get your donuts, get your coffee, and join us. And then we're going to do a little poker run after that. It'll be a lot of fun, a lot of excitement, and we'll get to see everybody and visit with everybody then. Until then, happy motoring, y'all. Check out the calendars and all the other stuff that's coming up for the summer and into the fall. We got lots planned. So until then, happy motoring, y'all. See ya.